In this video, I am going to discuss about processor management. What is processor? We need to understand that the processor is the most important part in our computer. Processor is the brain of the computer. It is also the most expensive resource of the computer. A processor is an integrated electronic circuit that performs the calculations that run a computer. So, processor or CPU is a hardware and OS is a software. Here, the processor has to be utilized properly. Optimum use is made of this resource. Here, optimum use, which means process consumption demands. Who will do this? The operating system. Next, job scheduling. Managing processor basically involves job scheduling. What is the function of the processor? Carried out the different tasks. Now there are multiple tasks has to be done by processor. The operating system is to do that. How these jobs has to be scheduled so that the important one get them first. The job is unimportant. It has to keep waiting for a long time. How job scheduling is to be done. Here some of the points we have. Maximum utilization of CPU, turnaround time, waiting time is minimum, possible response time and throughput. So what is maximum utilization of CPU? So how that is to be done? There is maximum utilization of CPU that has to be ensured while the job scheduling. Next, turnaround time. The time required to complete each task has to be minimum. Waiting time is minimum. Task which is in highest priority should not keep waiting for a long time. Possible response time. Each job should get the fastest possible response time. So response time is very important here. Next, throughput. So maximum throughput is achieved. Now what is the throughput? Where throughput is the average time taken to complete each task. So, if you are completing one task very quickly, but you are not completing the other task, so it takes a long time. So, the average response time is decreased, so the throughput will also decreased. So, how the job scheduling is done? The job scheduling is done in two ways, preemptive and non-preemptive. So, what is preemptive scheduling? In preemptive scheduling, the operating system can decide on the previous job or next job before the previous job is done. So not so in non-preemptive scheduling. In non-preemptive scheduling, the operating system will have to wait till the current job is finished and then only it can decide about the next job. There are the ways in preemptive scheduling. Round robin and response ratio. So first, what is round robin scheduling? Here the processor time is divided into small time slices. So time slices means a small unit of time. So second, response ratio. It can be calculated by elapsed time divided by execution time. Let us now move on to non-preemptive scheduling. The operating system has to wait till current job is over and then look for the next job that to be done. Now this means that the job can never be interrupted. In preemptive scheduling, a job can be interrupted if a higher priority job is coming in the line. There are three ways in non-preemptive scheduling. First one, first come first serve scheduling. In the name itself, we must have understood first come first serve. So first coming job is processed first. Second job will be done later. Second one, shortest job next scheduling. Again, the shortest job, that means a job that will take shortest amount of time will be scheduled first. Third one, deadline scheduling. The job with the earliest deadline is scheduled for execution next. Here we have job scheduling diagram. Thank you.